Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by collecting only the essential assets and tools so you can act immediately. First, load your text, images, and any sketches into one working folder and convert them to common formats like PNG, SVG, or OBJ where required. Next, open your AI toolchain, one model for document layout, one for mesh generation, and one for texture work. Once done, set a clear target output. For example, GLTF at a chosen poly count and color profile, then move to layout generation. You now convert the 2D structure into 3D form. Start the layout model and map each page or section to physical planes, exporting positions and scales as JSON. Then feed that layout and your assets into the mesh generation AI, specifying poly count limits and instructions to keep text readable. Once meshes are produced, run texture synthesis and baking so fonts and images align on UVs. Make sure to export textures at your chosen DPI and validate geometry in a viewer before final export. You finish by optimizing and exporting the assembled document for delivery. First, decimate or retarget meshes to hit your poly count goals, merge redundant materials, and compress textures without losing legibility. Then export to the chosen format, GLTF or 3D PDF if you need interactivity, and embed textures plus metadata like font names and page order. Finally, verify in a renderer or viewer, checking text sharpness, lighting, and interactions. If things go wrong, regenerate problematic textures at higher DPI and rebake UVs.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.